What's going on, you guys? Back here with another video. It's your boy Baycaj, and today I'm going to be going to my friend's house and we're going to be popping some fireworks as well as making a few more and popping those too. And we're just going to have a little bit of fun. So, yeah. Warning. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not responsible for any injuries you or anyone else may sustain if you choose to emulate what you see in this video. Please enjoy the video and thank you for watching. Hey guys, so I'm at my friend's house. We're gonna be popping these over here. I got 3 M80s, 1 M100, and then we got the big one there.
Shake the fucking sun.
Smoking. See if we can put a hole in the
bag
ground.
around.
Yeah, we blew out the fuse hole. And right there. Yeah, blew out the fuse hole right there. Kind of a hole in the ground. Now the M100. That one blew out the side too. Perfect. Alright, and finally this big one. Gonna move you guys back some.
Boy. Yeah.
That was fucking beautiful.
You see so many parts of the fucking tube, bro.
Tore the fucking tube in half. Completely tore the tube in half.
Oh, awesome.
Around. I could have did. My God, that was beautiful.